Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I want to discuss what seeds to plant in your garden for Zone 9. Now, for September, September is a very big month for us gardeners, okay? And that's because the temperatures are cooling down and we are able to plant a lot of greens in our gardens because greens are cool weather crops. So first, what we're going to be starting with some endive, escadole, okay? These are another thing of greens right here. These came from Missouri, Mansfield, Missouri, from a place called rareseeds.com. It's another website that I found where the prices are fantastic, and so is the shipping. Now it's time to get radishes into the ground, okay? Lavender, so you can make some really great tea, and also this has medicinal properties to it as well. Beets, different kinds of lettuce. Here's Bibb lettuce, leaf lettuce, turnips, baby leaf lettuce, and spinach. This is what I'm going to be putting into my garden in the next 2 weeks. Now, some of these you can start indoors right now. But I'm going to wait the 2 weeks and just direct sow right into my garden. Now remember, this is for Zone 9. This is just a short video just to show you what I'm going to be doing in my garden in the next 2 weeks. Have a great day. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.